All right. Hello, everyone. ACY Securities is honored to invite Dieudonne, one of the top ranking traders in Tradingcup, to participate in our interview today. In only a short period of time, Dieudonne has achieved a good result, ranking top place at current with a 90% profit and 84% winning rate. Today, we are honored to invite Dieudonne to share his successful experience with our audience. Dieudonne, say hello to everybody, please.
Yeah, hello.
We'll start off with your personal trading experience, how you started, how you progressed, and where you're at now.
I have known trading on my first time in 19 June 2021. One of my friends has told me that there is something which is called Bitcoin. I have returned out of my home knowing that there is something which is called trading. So I read many on the UTB until I know also there is what you call Forex. Let me say what you call Forex because that time I didn't know that Forex also exists. I read more and I tried to use the UTB to know about Forex. I met with someone from UTB showing AC Securities as his preferable blocker. ACY in his UTB channel. I don't know. But I was asking UTB, who is the best blocker?
Just give us a rundown. What are the advantages of your strategy?
My strategy is not something which is special. I have tried to make a simple one, which is not complicated. It is based on the oversold and overbought, but there is something which is special, if I may say. I'm going to explain it by using RSI.
Yep.
I will try to make if RSI close the line, the 30 line, trying to enter, but I don't enter that time, but it is my point for thinking about entering. If market continues to go down and down and down and down, I am still waiting for making enter. Once the market it returns from last point by 20 pips, I enter. After 20 pips, making buy number one. My target is 30 pips only. My AI automatically after making 30 pips. And if market continue to move down, where I made buy number one, it means I'm going down around 45 pips. My AI make buy number two. There's something which is special. Is what you asked me. Let me continue saying that the market moves down and down. It has made 45 pips, 45 pips, 45 pips, and the AI has made at least 4 or 5 buys. And then when the market is trying to rise, to make a retest, if I may say retest, my AI has the ability of making average of those buys, where it will try to make an average of 30 pips or five orders.
I mean, it seems to be working, and it's very sophisticated in the sense that you came up with it yourself, with only a very short, well, I wouldn't say short, but a couple of years of experience in forex trading, right? So well done, and yeah, good to see. And yeah, I remember being your account manager. I was there from pretty much day one. I think back in, what was it? It would have been 2022, 2023. when you and I first started talking, and we were talking about trades, how to do it, the different strategies for you to test. Yeah, very, very impressed by the progress that you've made so far, which leads me on to my next question. How do you choose the products or the instruments that you trade? I'm noticing, just to give the audience a bit of an idea, it's mainly on forex pairs, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, and a bit of gold as well. Is that correct?
Thank you very much for asking me that. This is a special question for me. I have even passed at least 4 months having a question. What are best? What are the best? To some trades, oil, gold, and so on. But it has taken me at least 4 months making a test on demo accounts. What are the best I can choose to trade? So, LOUSD, AUD USD, USD card, AUD. Those are what I trade. But I have tried USD Pay. USD Pay, I didn't know that it is more volatile. It has been liquidated me so many times, and it moves so far. But I have tried to understand the error. Those four terminals, those four forex pairs, they are suitable for me after 4 months trading different pairs. This is coming from my research.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense to test your strategy and see how it runs on different pairs, or experiment with, new instruments on a demo account. That's what the demo accounts are there for, right? Yeah, well done. I'm glad you landed on these four, because these four currency pairs, or these four forex pairs, are the ones that's gotten you into that first spot. So well done once again. Thanks again, Dieudonne, for sharing your experience with us. We look forward to seeing you continue on your trading journey and flourish in the Trading Cup community. It's always a pleasure to catch up.